Welcome back to my channel, my lovelies. If you're new here, hello, I'm Jade. Thank you so much for joining. Please hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. I'd love for you to join the crew. So today we're going to be attempting to do some tie-dye. I haven't done this probably since I was like 7, so that's 13 years, so it's a long time. If you watched my first video, I had a tie-dye set on and I was obsessed with it. After that video I was like, I'm gonna have to buy some tie-dye stuff. I've been waiting like 3-4 weeks for stuff to come. I've had the tie-dye kit come and then I could not find cotton white joggers. Nowhere. They're all polyester, and polyester doesn't take to tie-dye, so I'm hoping it goes okay. If it doesn't, then the title's probably going to say my failed attempt at tie-dye. But if you enjoy it, please hit a thumbs up, let me know what else you want to see, and yeah, so let's jump straight in. So this is the box it comes in, and inside the box we have this little leaflet all about information with how to do it and stuff. So we've got the colours inside. So obviously, as you can see, there's a range of different. Obviously, we've got like 2 yellows, 2 pinks, 2 blues. And it's literally just like a powder. So there's powder in the bottom, and then you just fill to here with water and shake it. Then next in the box we have some other stuff. So we've got some bands, we've got some gloves, and we've also got a sheet to protect the floor. Okay, so I am so excited to do this. I haven't done this in so many years. I hope it's gonna go okay. I don't know, I'm just gonna kind of wing it. Okay, so we have got a few different items to actually tie-dye and test. Honestly, it was a nightmare to find a white set. Like, I bought the tie-dye stuff a good month ago, and it's been sat waiting because I've had to wait so long to find a white set. It's not the exact set I wanted. We have just got a white cotton little crop top thing. So this is from Berkshire. This is a medium because I like mine oversized little pieces. So next we have some white ASOS joggers. This actually comes in a set. Because you have to get cotton because otherwise polyester doesn't take as well. So do make sure that, because obviously if you have 100% polyester, it's not going to take, but it's going to be so much harder to take. It comes with this little white jumper, and then just grabs an old top, which I'm probably going to make into cropped at some point, or just like a oversized tee. So then I've got some socks. I've got some long Nike socks, some new short ones, and I'm also going to be attempting to bleach some black ones. So hopefully this goes okay. I really honestly do not know what I'm doing, so I'm going to apologise first and foremost because it's probably going to be a shambles and I'm just going to wing it. But I'm so excited. I feel like such a kid. Okay, so I'm going to put a sheet over the floor, protect the floor, and then I'm actually going to be using some different gloves. So I'm going to be using these bad boys. I'm going to be using these gloves to protect my hand because the gloves you get with them are a little bit big. And so if you have any of these types of gloves around, would suggest using these. If not, it's fine. Obviously make sure that you don't ruin anything else around, clear everything up, and yeah, so let's just jump straight in. Okay, so we have an outfit. Bailey! So I've just gone and got a bucket of water because I'm lazy and don't want to keep walking to the sink. And excuse me, you enjoying that? Yummy? I don't think so, darling. Buckets filled with water. Put my glasses because I'm blind. Bailey, he's so cheeky. I can see you, pal. Just gonna put my hair up out the way because otherwise I'm gonna end up dyeing that some other colour. I don't want to dye it. And then, so I've got a bucket of water. I'm literally just gonna grab it, soak it, I think I meant to. I don't really know. Okay, so I've just shaken a pink and a blue for now. So this is the pink. Such a lush colour. And then we have the blue. So I'm gonna try maybe the blue first to test on one top, see how it goes. And then I will carry on the rest. Okay, so what we're going to do is just grab our hoodie, we're going to soak it in the bucket of water, and then I'm going to attempt the crimple I'm going to attempt to crimp on it. And we're just going to wing it. Just going to get our hoodie, put it into the water. Make sure it's fully saturated. Okay, so we've got our wet jumper. We just wet, soaked it, so it's all ready. And then you're literally just going to go in and like crimple it however you want to do it. Just wing it. I don't really know how I'm meant to be doing this. I don't think there's really any kind of exact method. Obviously there are certain patterns and stuff which you can do. Obviously if you go into like Google and like search them, they'll be able to tell you how to do them properly. I've got no idea. You literally just want to get rubber bands and tie them all over. Try and hold this as tight as possible because obviously this is going to keep it all together. And I just dropped it already. Well done, Jade. This is probably going to be a really failed attempt, so I'm sorry guys. So just take my pink colour, make sure it's all shaken, and then I'm just going to do it. So I always make sure to leave some white on it so I know there's definitely going to be white bits remaining. So that is the sweatshirt done. I'm just going to put a little bit more on here. My joggers have just been wet as well. And to make these ones easier, I'm going to do leg by leg, crimple them, tie them in a band, and then do the other leg. It's easier if you go from the bottom of the leg and work your way up. Well, I find it's easier, and then like add the crimples to it. So this should be a big crumpled mess. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do some socks. So I've just grabbed some Nike socks and I'm going to do exactly the same with these. I'm literally going to crimple them, tie them in a knot and hope they work. Because I keep seeing on Instagram so many cute people wearing all these socks and I'm like, I want this. So we're going to give them an attempt. So we're going to do that same, we're just going to wet them and then we'll see. So I'm going to grab a sock at a time, wet them and do one by one. Start in this corner. And I'm going to crimple up. Hold them really tight. Grab a massive band and put one over, like so. Oh my god, ow, my finger's like, ow. These are a pair done, ready. These are what they look like. I was running out, so I think they're going to be really white inside because I don't think it's going to drip through, which is really annoying. So I'm just going to grab a wipe and wipe the remaining, which is off here, because otherwise it's all going to spread. Like so. Purple, a little bit orange. I'm just gonna chuck a little bit on here. Oh my god, that's really purple. Maybe not. Let's see, maybe. Oh, I don't know. It kind of looks yuck, but okay, we're gonna roll with it. Here's what it is. Okay, so this is my weird creation. I don't know if it's all gonna roll into one. I hope not. These are what they look like. Okay, so once you've finished tie-dyeing all of your clothes, you're then going to get bags and put them into bags to set overnight. So I haven't got Ziploc bags, it recommends them, so I'm just going to use like compost bags. They should be fine. Put them in there, and then I'm going to line the bottom of my bath and leave them soak over there. This is how they're looking, not too bad. Don't obviously put any of the different colours near each other, so try to keep one separate. Okay, so I have put all the bags to leave to soak overnight in the bath, just in case they run. Okay, so now it's Saturday morning, they have sat overnight. I'm then going to take some gloves, rinse them with cold water individually until it's nearly runs clear, take the elastic bands, finish rinsing them, and then I'm going to put them in the washing machine, each colour separately, so obviously it doesn't run onto each other. Okay, so now it is Sunday. I am wearing exactly the same look as my intro. I did forget to film an intro, so I had to do that today. So obviously I've let them dry, I let them just dry overnight and stuff to make sure they were all fully dry for you. And some worked really, really well, and some just was a complete fail. But I'll go into that. So, the socks. The socks were okay, to be fair. Like, these were the pink ones. See, I like the fact they have a lot of white on them. In real life, they do look like more of a pink. So the white has kind of turned to a pink, which I love. So these are the two. I like these. So I'm really, really happy with these ones. My favourite ones are probably the orange. I think these are such a nice colour as well. Like, it's such like a spring colour. So these are definitely my favourite of them all. So the purple, this one I actually run out of elastic bands, so I put hairbands on it. You can see kind of it hasn't worked as well, I think because it wasn't as tight. Whereas this one had elastic bands, it's a little bit more. These are very, very different to how the orange ones look. There's a lot more covered on here. This is where I had my issue. So my yellow socks are now just yellow, and my blue socks are just blue. There's a slight bit of white in them, but not a lot. So these ones I actually did with hairbands because I run out of elastic bands, and I don't think they were tight enough, so I was trying to pull them as tight as I could. I split 4 hairbands trying to make them really tight that it kind of went a bit loose. This is why these are dyed the full colour. But I'm not hating these, I do really like them. These are a fail, so I would suggest maybe buying some more elastic bands. I don't think mine actually came the right amount because I only used... It's meant to come with 90 and I definitely did not use 90. The socks where I tried to put 2 colours just kind of didn't really work that well. A lot of them are merged into one. So this sock I'm not kind of digging, but this one is a little bit better. So it kind of mixed in here. But I do really like this. I think maybe I'll try again. Don't put them so close together because I think that's why they're kind of like the bottom kind of merged together and it looks a bit like... The other thing I probably loved is this little bralette I did. This is from Pretty Little Thing, so it's just one of their white set. It comes with like a white and a black one. And I'm really liking how this turned out. So what I did is I literally just did each boob bit. So I scrunched all this bit up, scrunched all this bit up. And then I just dyed them separately instead of scrunching them all into one. I think it worked really more better. So I'm happy with this. Okay, so this is the tracksuit top. As you can see, even all these are, and there's quite a lot of white on here, but I'm really liking that. So overall, I'm so happy with this tracksuit. I think it's so cute. Oh my god, I look pale. I need to tan. Okay, so next we have this little crop top that I did, orange and yellow. I think it's kind of okay. So there's quite a lot of white patches. Actually, in real life, they don't look quite as white. They're a bit more of like a yellowy orange tinge to them. But I think they're really, really nice. Okay, and then we did this little long sleeve top. So I did this purple and blue. Hello. Come and say hello. Hi, friends. I think the arms are probably my favourite for this. I'm really, really liking this. I think these colours obviously go so well together, so it looks so lush. So I'm happy with this one. Okay, so finally we have this little purple tie-dyed one. So this is just like a nude pink crop top that was just old and I was just going to get rid of it. And now we're giving it like a new lease of life. So I'm really, really liking this one too. These are all the finished socks. Obviously you can tell the blue and the yellow were a little bit of fails. Obviously none of them are exactly the same, but they don't need to be. They can all be different. It really doesn't matter. Okay, that is all the tie-dye I have done today. Thank you so much for watching my attempt. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learnt something. If you did, please smash a big thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. I did run out of time to do the bleach because I ended up doing this at 11 o'clock at night and it just got way too late. So I will be doing a day in the life quarantine edition this week, so I will try and do some of that. And then please remember, if you are going to do this, you need like cotton, or it will come with a long list. If you do get that tie-dye box, I will link that in the description. It is from Amazon. It's roughly £25. So majority of the stuff I did use was cotton, and obviously polyester is a big no. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you did, please smash a big thumbs up. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you again next time. Thanks.